In this video, let us study about the properties of soil. The first property of the soil is the percolation of water in the soil. Right. Now, if you spill water on the cement floor of your house, it stays there for a longer period of time. Right? However, if you spill water on the ground outside the house, it gets quickly absorbed in the soil. Now, this is because water can percolate into the soil but not into the cement. Does water percolate through all types of soil at the same rate? Now, you can form an experiment. What you do to take about 2 kgs of different types of soil. After that, what you do? Take a plastic bottle and take 3 plastic bottles, mineral water bottle, and cut their top as well as bottom. Right. Now take 2 kgs of sample and insert about 2 centimeter deep. Insert plastic bottle pipe about 2 centimeter deep in the sample. Now pour the water and see how much water gets absorbed in the soil, how much water is left out, and what is the time taken to percolate the water into the soil. Second is moisture in the soil. Now, what you can do, go to your chemistry lab or the science lab and do this experiment with the help of your teacher. Take a boiling tube and fill it about 1/4 of the soil sample. Now, what you do, you take a boiling tube, fill it about 1/4 with the soil sample. Now heat it gently on a flame. Do you notice drops of water condenses on the upper cooler part of the tube? Now where does this water droplets come from? Definitely these water droplets that cools down come from the soil, as when you took the glass tube, or you can say a boiling tube, and you heated the boiling tube. This was the soil that was present in the boiling tube. Now what happened? The water present in the soil got evaporated, and this upper part of the boiling tube is cool. Only the heat is at the lower part of the boiling tube. Now this water vapor that evaporates, it gets condenses on the upper part of this boiling tube. Now you get water droplets. You can see the water droplets on the upper part of this boiling tube. Now where does this water droplets come from? These water droplets came from the soil, because this shows that the water is present in the soil, and this shows that the moisture is present in the soil. Now on a hot summer day, the vapor coming out of the soil forms a layer around the ground and reflects the sunlight, and the air above the soil seems to shimmer. Now the third property is the absorption of water by the soil. Right? Now what you do, you take a funnel. Now this is a beaker. Let's say this is a beaker. Now you are taking the funnel on the top of this beaker. And now put filter paper in this funnel. Now take a dry powdered soil about 50 gram and put the soil on the filter paper in the funnel. Now what you do, you keep on pouring the water in the soil. Now you will see that some water droplets goes. Now you have taken the soil in this filter paper and funnel. Now what you do, you pour some water into the soil. Some water will be absorbed in the soil itself and less water will come down in the beaker. Now this property shows that the soil absorbs the water. Now these were the three properties of the water. Now see, you might see the water logging on the stagnant soil, logging on the soil. Just because the soil is not able to absorb all the water becomes stagnant and it gets on the upper part of the soil. It stands on the upper part of the soil, and this is known as the water logging. I hope you have understood the properties of the soil. Now, do download our Scholars Learning app, and if you have any doubt, any questions you want to ask, and you want to clear up your doubts, you can write me down in the comment box. I will help you out with your doubts anytime.